Hey little yogis, so happy you're here. Smile big and have fun. Let's move, stretch, and feel strong and happy. Grab your mat, take a big breath. Let's go. Robot. Move your arms and legs like a robot. Frog. Squat down and bounce like a frog. Lion. Take a deep breath and roar loud. Good job. Owl. Turn your head slowly and look around. Bear. Walk on hands and feet like a bear. Star. Stretch your arms and legs really wide. Circle. Move your arms to make a big circle. Mountain. Stand tall and keep your body straight. Tree. Balance on one leg and stay still. Half moon. Balance and open your body to the side. Good job. Warrior 1. Step forward and raise your arms up. Airplane. Stretch your arms and balance like flying. Dancer. Hold your foot and balance like a dancer. Tightrope. Walk slowly like on a rope. Heel lift. Stand on your toes and hold. Good job. Seated bend. Sit down and reach for your toes. Knee hug. Hug your legs close to your body. Happy baby. Grab your feet and rock side to side. Good job. Balloon. Breathe in and make your belly big. Rainbow. Bend your body like a rainbow. star hold. Hold your star pose and don't move. Smile. Stand still and give a big, happy smile. Good job!